Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna do this super cute, sparkly look. So if you wanna see how I got it, follow along with me. Let's get started. I always start out with carving out my brows. I think here I am using the Il Makiage concealer. I just love that concealer. I'm almost out of it. I also use it to prime my eyelids as well. I use this It Cosmetics brush and I just go in and lightly dab on the eyelid in order to blend out that concealer. And with my eye prepped, I go in with the very first color and I'm just focusing that color inside of my crease area with a fluffy brush and just blending it out. I'm literally just blowing out this color. It's gonna diffuse on the edges and I just want it, I don't want to see any harsh lines. I just want to blow it out. After I've blown it out, I'm going to go in using only, okay, so this palette is so stinking cute, y'all. Look at that. It's like super teeny tiny. I'm going to use this black color. With black colors, I like to start very light and then build up the intensity of the black. If you go in with black and start out too heavy-handed, it could go very wrong very fast. So just take your time, little bit at a time, and yeah, you'll get it. Within the same palette, I used a brown because I wanted to diffuse some of the edges of the black as I was going to lay colors down. So that's what you see happening here. I just grabbed another brush just to kind of blend out that black a little bit. And you'll see that the black is kind of starting to fade a little bit. That's fine. We're going to like bump up the intensity of the black later. I just want to place the black where I want it to be just to kind of have like a good outline of what I'm doing. And see, that's me just kind of putting that black back in. Well, of course, that's me. Duh. I'm adding a little bit of brown. I thought I wanted to have a gradient of color, so I added a little bit of a darker brown. Started to add this cream color on the inside of my eye because having a lighter color on the inside of your eye really opens the eye up. And I wanted that cream color to blend into the brown, which blended into the black. The disrespect. Honor's in here about to ask me for some money. Did you find my purse? My green bag. Y'all, okay, watch the video. Okay, so I'm bumping up the intensity of it might be in the car. Check the car. I'm bumping up the intensity of the black. See, it's not in my bathroom. Go look in the car. See, go look out in the hallway then. No, you should tell them that.
I'm sorry.
So I just went through blending out all of these edges. I'm grabbing a smaller fluffy brush because I want to blend. When I'm using black, I really take my time and blend. Blending is key when using dark colors like this. What I'm about to do next, I'm about to add a little bit more of that. Okay, so this color is the original color that I use in my crease to blow out. I lost a little bit of that color. I wanted that color to show through at the end of this eye look. So I just went in with a smaller brush, popped a little bit more on there, and now I'm just going back and forth between all of the colors to intensify the colors the way that I want them to look. So if you're doing it on your eye, you're gonna pop colors in, go back, blend out. You're going to be going back and forth between the colors just to make it look like how you want it to look. I decided to go in with this glitter quad by Pixi. Of course, I love Pixi. I use this brush and I don't know why, because it's so much easier when you use your fingers with glitter or with shimmer colors. You just get more of a color payoff with your finger, but because my nails are kind of long, it makes it difficult, and the color ends up going to places on my face that I don't want it to go. So I'm just using this brush to pack on the color that I want. I started with that white shimmer, but because y'all know I like there to be a little pop to my eye. Like when I turn to one side, the light hits it and you're like, oh snap, that's another color, right? So I grabbed that turquoise and laid it in between the white and the brown that fades off into the black. Now you're probably looking at this saying, Asia, there's no black there. Just keep watching though, because remember I said with black you gotta You got to be strategic with it. You got to start off light. So with black, I just start off very light and I build up the intensity. So I'm just going through in between the white shimmer and the blue shimmer and packing on more to the intensity that I desire. And also blending that into the back. Now look at it. Look, boom, that black. She cute. She is so cute. Honor is back. Did you find my bag in there? Go look in the trunk. Oh my gosh, you guys. Kids, man. If I get up Honor and I find this bag in like 2 seconds, did you open your eyes when you looked? Guys, I'm using Benefit Cosmetics on the brow because it's bomb. It's not that bag. It's the green bag. Go look in the car. Is it that bag? Maybe it's that bag. Look in that bag. Sorry. That's the bag. Give me the bag. Oh my gosh. Look at that brow, y'all. That brow is life. Give me my meeting bag though. Not that one. Oh my gosh. Okay, what am I about to do next? I don't know, but I'm sitting there singing. Here, Honor's gonna do the voiceover while I find money for her. Wait, boom. Hey, look, she cute. Here, do it.
Hey, she cute. Now she's gonna grab the Milk.
Can you even English?
Kush mascara.
The what?
It says Kush. And then she's gonna get them lashes all coated.
Wow.
Coat them lashes.
Wow.
Get them lashes cute. Now she's gonna get them falsies.
Oh my gosh.
See them falsies?
Stop it. What company is it?
I didn't pay attention.
Wow.
Okay,
get out of here. You're gonna be late to school. Say bye to everybody.
Bye everybody, love y'all.
Wow. So lashes are on, y'all. These are Evry lashes. I freaking love these lashes. They're happy hour, the style happy hour. I wore these lashes yesterday with no eyeshadow on and they were just glorious. Now my face is done. She is cute. Look at that. Oh, stop it. Who she thinks she is? She thinks she's somebody. She don't think she nobody. She ain't nobody. She's somebody, y'all. Oh, get it. Look at me. Hey, get it. Hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys get some inspiration for a look, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.